working on it. The fourth aspect of today's Daily Digest is promoting peace and unity. Promoting peace and unity. Now, let me explain that. Words have the power to either create harmony or sow a seed of discord. Praise the Lord. It can create an harmony or sow a seed or sow discord. Praise the Lord. I mentioned earlier, I think on our second point, about the destructive power of gossip. So we should be very, very careful. I talked about, gossip involves spreading rumors and private information. Okay? We should avoid that. That's what promoting peace and unity. Okay? Now, in explanation, I've also highlighted, as we being Christians, we are called to be peacemakers. We're called to be peacemakers and fostering unity within our communities. Praise the Lord. Okay? We are called to be peacemakers and promoting or fostering unity within our communities. Praise the Lord. What are the lessons learned from promoting peace and unity?